A biotechnology student has been missing from the JNU campus for the last 3 days. Najeed Ahmed, just 15 days into the campus, went missing on Saturday following a brawl in his hostel the night before. According to an activist on campus, Najeeb had an altercation with some activists of the ABVP on Friday night when they were holding a door-to-door campaign at the hostel for mess committee elections. He allegedly slapped an ABVP candidate, following which a scuffle broke out and an entire group of ABVP activists came to beat him up. Najeeb called his parents that night to come and get him, but by the time his parents reached JNU from Uttar Pradesh, he was nowhere to be found. His parents are now sitting on campus in protest, and the police has registered a case.
We're reporting from the JNU campus outside the Mahi Manvi hostel, where over the past 4 days, a boy who joined JNU just 15 days back has gone missing. There are various versions to the story. Some say he was lynched, others say that he actually slapped several other people from the ABVP. While this is now culminated into a political fight between the ABVP and the left leaders, his mother here cannot stop her tears at the moment, who's come all the way from Badaयूं in UP in search for his son. मुझे पहले आप बताइए कि आप परसों से हैं यहाँ पर?
मुझे फोन किया था रात के 2 बजे नजीब ने। मैंने फोन उठाया। उस दिन तो आया था, जुमरात वाले दिन तो पहुंचाइए यहाँ पे। एक दिन उसने क्लास की जुमे में पूरे दिन, और उसके बाद मैंने उसको रात में ही फोन किया था। ठीक सब कुछ सही था। मैंने कहा नजीब खाना खाओगे, आराम करो, सो जाओ, सुबह फिर क्लास जाना है। तो बोला हाँ अम्मी आप परेशान मत हो।
I mean, imagine that he hit someone. That is not imaginable by us. He was not a guy who gets angry and suddenly like that. We have never seen him like that.
But he's a new student. He's just spent about 15 days here.
No, not 15 days. We joined here in August 1st, right? Yeah, it's been 2 months almost, 2.5 months. So we know him quite well. Hostel में नहीं आया था, पर क्लास तो 1 अगस्त से शुरू हुई.